Did you know one tiny change in your life can spark a domino effect of transformation? Think about it. One domino falls, causing all the others in its path to tumble brilliantly. Now, apply that to your life. It's not about overhauling everything all at once. It's about finding that one small, manageable change. Maybe it's setting your alarm 15 minutes earlier to give yourself a head start every day. Maybe it's swapping your scroll time for reading a single page of a book. These may seem minor, but here's the catch: the power of compounding. With consistency, these small actions gain momentum. Over time, they become habits, and those habits stack to reshape your reality. Think of the moments when just saying yes to an unexpected opportunity brought larger shifts in your life, or when saying no to a bad habit started to liberate you. Tiny tweaks lead to profound pivots. Here's your challenge. What's one small change you can make today? Start there. Don't underestimate it, because the beauty of the domino effect lies in its simplicity. One small action today could open doors you never imagined tomorrow. So, take that first step, push that first domino, and watch what happens next. The chain reaction of success is waiting for you to start.